Okay, so we're just gonna completely ignore the fact that I didn't drop a video last week. Now that that's out the way, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Richhitz, man. Book Richhitz, and of course, it's Tuesday. Cut it out, because I just said we're not gonna talk about last week. And it's Photoshop Tutorial Tuesdays. Okay, so I'm sure you guys already know about like the wavy text. It's more of a vintagey style, or kind of like for urban fashion, more for like men's urban fashion shirts. I'm gonna drop a couple designs right here that I just did for the sake of this tutorial. That design style, as far as with the wavy text, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in Photoshop. It's super simple, super easy, and of course, it's going to be a quick tutorial today, guys. Alright guys, so we are now in Photoshop. So of course you're going to want to create a new document and pick the size that you want. I already have my design open here, and I created a texture for the background. We're going to click text. We're going to drag this to the middle. You can say whatever you want. For the sake of this, I'm going to say PS for Photoshop, hit the line, and then I'm going to put wave. So we have PS wave. Now the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to double click. I'm going to hit Command C, which is going to copy it, hit enter, and then I'm going to hit Command V. I'm going to do it about 4 times. Alright guys, so once we have our text mapped out the way that we want, or at least the way that we see fit, so mine says PS wave duplicated 4 times. Now what you're going to want to do is double click here, and that's going to bring up your text settings here at the top. Now you're going to want to click the T with the line under it, which is going to be your warp. And you have so many other different options in here you guys can play with. But today the one that we're going to be playing with is the wave. So already you see that the effect is being done. Now what you can do is you can go through bend and just play around with it. You can switch it to the left side or the right side. I pretty much normally put it around, let's say we're going to put it around 60, 67. Or if you want, you could play around with the horizontal distortion or the vertical distortion as well, just to give your design some more variation. So let's go ahead and play with that a little bit. Alright, now we're playing with the perspective some. So let's go ahead and hit enter. That is your design. Well, there you have it, guys. Simple, quick tutorial today just to teach you how to do the wave effect. I encourage you guys not to just click on what I did, but there's so many things within that panel that you guys can actually tweak the text a lot more. Hopefully this video worked out for you guys, man. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and drop the bell so you guys can get notified every time I drop videos just like this. And of course, like the video. You guys take care. Peace.